Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Edifier R1010BT Bluetooth and wired speakers, which are either side of me, there and there. And I'm going to compare them to the HomePod Mini, which I've also got set up, one there and one next to the other speaker. The HomePod Minis are set up and configured in a stereo pair. So I'm going to do some sound tests. I'm going to show you the features of what you get with these edifiers and then give you my opinion at the end as to can a stereo pair of HomePod Minis be better than these edifiers. To give you some idea, the edifiers cost £79 for a pair, versus if you buy two HomePod Minis you're looking at £200 roughly, just under that. Anyway, let's go to quickly check out some extra features on these edifiers, and then we'll do a sound test with some audio tracks on both, and then I'll come back to my final piece at the end. So taking a closer look at the edifier, it's a quite straightforward sort of tweeter, mid-range and bass. You also have a light here that alternates from when you're connected via Bluetooth. You can even see the LED comes through also. But if you press the button here, there's a button on the back, it's now in wired mode. If we have a look at the options on the back, if I turn this around, so here you have your on off. This is where comes with a cable to connect to the other speaker. That is done wired. It's quite a decent long cable. You have two line in options as well. You have your volume and your input. So to switch to Bluetooth, you just press that, and that blue light then lights up and off again. And then you've got your bass as well. So you can control how much bass you want. I have it about halfway, but it can have less and you can have more. So it's all very versatile. Okay, so now I'm going to do a sound test. I'm going to pick some tracks. These are all YouTube license-free music, and I have had to do this. So there was a number of tracks that I did use privately to test the speakers, which I'll put up and also in the description box below. So let's just listen to a few options. Okay, so I'm going to put edifiers. This isn't anywhere near full volume. It's just enough to provide some. So now I'm going to give you one track here. So these are the edifiers in stereo, obviously. Amazing bass, and you can actually adjust the bass on the main speaker that side. But the reason I picked this, you get some good stereo sound. Okay, so now I'm going to select having the HomePod Minis. That's one there and there's one over there. This is a stereo pair as well. How do the sound HomePod Minis? So I'll go back, have a listen to both, but it should be absolute, from what I'm hearing, there's massively better stereo separation with that particular track. It's with the edifiers, much better, and the sound was richer, treble, mid and bass that came out of them than the HomePod Minis. Let's try one other option. Now these are the HomePod Minis that are playing now, so they're still connected. Again, this is YouTube royalty free. This is a stereo pair. Okay, now I'm going to switch back to the edifiers. instruments are much clearer on the Edifiers. So what we could do is one last thing, we could pick another option. Let's see if I can find something that's quite good. We start these with the Edifiers. Now the Edifiers weren't near full volume either. I could have put them up louder, but I think I'd disturb a lot of people if I had them much louder. I'm now going to switch back to the HomePod Mini in their stereo pair. Obviously stereo pair is much better than a single one, but let's have a listen to these. Are you ready for the HomePod Minis? Here we go. Okay, so we've done the audio test. I'm now going to talk about quality in a bit more, but I think it's pretty obvious which sounds better. But let's have a further discussion on that. So talking about the Edifiers, you can see I think they look fantastic without the dust covers on, but you have the ability, if you've perhaps got kids or just want a tidier look, you can put the dust covers on. But how do they compare? What's my verdict on the sound quality? I think these sound terrific. I love the versatility that you've got Bluetooth and wired. I would wish it would remember the last setting I left it on. So when I power these on for the very first time, it goes straight into the wired connection. That's quite handy because then obviously from that point of view, that wired connection is always working straight out of the box. But if I was using Bluetooth as my primary connection, I just wish when I powered it on from the mains, it would remember that particular setting. In terms of longevity, I think these will outlast the HomePod Minis because Bluetooth will be a standard thing. Smart speakers do have sometimes a limited shelf life. With Apple, that might be a bit longer, but I do think if you can live with the size, which require, I don't think they're that big either. They're sitting on my desk, no problem. I do think these are a very decent option and extremely good value when you consider that for literally less than one HomePod, you get a stereo pair. Any questions on these, let me know in the comments below. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Catch you guys soon. Bye for now.